I really don't get this robot train trying to take over our railway, I suppose. We'll be fine, Duncan. We'll have to start our shed until he comes sometime tonight.
Scanner's right. And even there are 3 trousers that'll wreck a whole railway too, by the look of it.
Hey, Mighty, do you really think this beast will tear your faces apart? What? No! We'll be fine, I promise. I hope Knack doesn't get separated as well. He'll be gone. I'll be dead if I would seen him gone off by now. Whatever. We'll do our best tonight to stay in our sheds until that big thing arrives at some stage. Point, my friends. We should probably hide before they come. That's right, Peterson. Run for your lives! Go on, Save us, medic! You're a medic. Go on, do them! That poor guy. He's been walking for ages, I hear. If he needs a drink of water from the canal. Very well, Duncan.